Hello everyone. In the last class we studied about the simple equation. In the simple equation there may be one variable. Any alphabet of English of small letter I take it as a variable and I try to solve always that variable. So I taught you how to solve that simple equation. Today let me continue with that little further, how to solve little complicated simple equations. Now first one. 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. What is my aim? To find out p. See, this p is multiplied to 12 but it is subtracted by 5. So, let us take 12p in one side and we'll take 5 to that side. So, it is equal to 25 plus 5 because it is minus 5, it is plus 5. So, 12p is equal to 25 plus 5 is 30. Now I want to find out p. So p is equal to, what is the meaning of 12p? 12 into p. So 12p means 12 into p. So p is equal to 30. Whenever it comes here, it is divided by 12. So which is the table goes by both the numbers? 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. So 5 by 2 is equal to 2 1 by 2. So p is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2 and half. Am I right? This is the solution of p. Now let us go to the second equation. What is that? 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. Try to take out the bracket. It is in the form of a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So 4m plus 4 into 3 is equal to 18. 4m plus 12 is equal to 18. 4m is equal to 18 plus 12 goes that side minus 12. So 4m is equal to 6. m is equal to 6 by 4. 2 table, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So m is equal to 3 by 2 or is equal to 1 by 2. Right? Let us solve some more problems. Now the third example sum, that is of exercise sum. Now take out the bracket. What happens? Minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into plus minus 2 into 3 6. See, whenever you take out the bracket, you be careful. A into b plus a into c. A is minus, minus into plus is minus. 2 3s are 6 is equal to 8. So, minus 2x is equal to 8 plus 6. So, minus 2x is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14. So, x is equal to 14 divided by minus 2. You have to bring it to the denominator because it is multiplied by minus 2. So, x is equal to plus divided by minus is minus. 2 1s are 2 7s are. So minus 7. Now let us try to solve that off. This is the first equation. First question of the exercise. Let us try to solve. See here 2y is there. I write down 2y is equal to 37 by 2. This one I will take that side. Minus 5 by 2. So what do I get? 2y is equal to, 2 is the common denominator, 37 minus 5. So 2y is equal to, 37 minus 5 is 32 divided by 2. So 2y is equal to, what is 32 divided by 2? 2 1s are 2 16s are. 2y is equal to 16. So y is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So you got the value as 8. Now, question is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. What is the next step? 5t is equal to 10 plus 28 to take that side minus 28. So what do I get? 5t is equal to 10 minus 28 is the bigger number minus smaller number. When the signs are different, 28 minus 10 you have to do 18. and put the sign of the bigger number minus 18. So t is equal to minus 18 divided by 5. So this is your answer. Now go here. A by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So first you have to find out A. So first A by 5 is this side. 3 take that side. 2 minus 3. So A by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So A is equal to minus 1. 5 is there in the denominator when you take that side into 5. So A is equal to minus 5. Go to the next one. Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Q by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7. Q by 4 is equal to minus 2. 5 plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Q is equal to minus 2. Here it is divided, so into 4. So Q is equal to minus 8. Now look at this. 5 by 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5. Here it is into 5 by 2. Whatever is there in the numerator, it goes to the denominator. And whatever is there in the denominator, it goes to the numerator. Because when I take that side, the reciprocal of this number 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 ones are. So x is equal to minus 2. Here you see x is equal to 25 divided by 4 into 2 is there in the denominator goes up. 5 is there in the numerator comes down. 5 ones are 5 fives are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x is equal to 5 by 2. Here 7m is equal to 13 plus 19 by 2 goes that side minus 19 by 2. So 7m is equal to take the common denominator 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 13s are 26 minus 2 1s are 2. So 19. So 7m is equal to 26 minus 19 is 7 by 2. Now you see m is equal to 7 by 2 into 7 is multiplied. So it comes to the denominator. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. So m is equal to 1 by 2. 6a plus 10 is equal to minus 2. So what is the next step? 6a is equal to minus 2 plus 10 goes that side minus 10. So 6a is equal to minus 12. So a is equal to minus 12. If it is, this is multiplied, so you have to divide. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So a is equal to minus 2. Go to the next one. 3 by 2L, I can say, is equal to 2 by 3. So L is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 is there in the numerator. So it goes to the denominator. 2 is there in the denominator. It goes to the numerator. So L is equal to, you cannot cut anything. So 4 by 9. Next one. 2b divided by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So 2 by 3b is equal to 3 plus 5. So b is equal to 2 by 3b is equal to 8. So b is equal to 8 into 2 is there in the numerator, it goes to the denominator. 3 is there in the denominator, it goes to the numerator. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So b is equal to 12. Next question. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. You know, whenever there is bracket, you have to take out the bracket. So what will happen? 2x plus 2 into 4 is equal to 12. 2x plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12 plus 8 go that side minus 8. 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. X is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Next question. 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. How will you simplify? 3n minus sign is in between 3 into 5 is equal to 21. So 3n is equal to 21. 3n minus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 21. So what is the next step? 3n is equal to 21 minus 15, take that side, plus 15. So 3n is equal to 36. N is equal to 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. So n is equal to 12. See here it is into, so take that side. So n is equal to 12. Now see only the sign is different here. Take out the bracket. 3n minus 3 into 5 is equal to minus 21. 3n minus 15 is equal to minus 21. 3n is equal to minus 21 plus 15. So 3n is equal to minus 6. n is equal to minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to minus 12. Look at this question. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. So take out the bracket. Minus 4 into 2 minus 4x. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x is equal to 8. So minus 8 minus 4x is equal to 8. So minus 4x is equal to 8. Minus 8 you take that side, plus 8. So minus 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 divided by minus 4. So x is equal to plus divided by minus is minus. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So next one is 4 into 2 minus 4x is equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus 4x is equal to 8. Minus 4x is equal to 8. Take that side. Minus 8. So minus 4x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 divided by minus 4. So x is equal to 0 by any number is 0. Right? Look at this question. 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. Take out the bracket. 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 5 into 2. So 4 is equal to 5p minus 10. 5p is here, let it be here. 5p is equal to 4 minus 10, I take that side, plus 10. So 14 is equal to 5p. So p is equal to 14 divided by 5. Because 5 is multiplied, here it is divided. Alright. Now let us go to the next one. Take out the bracket here also. Minus 4 is equal to 5p minus 5 into 10. 5 into 2. So minus 4 is equal to 5p minus 10. 5p let it be here is equal to minus 4 minus 10 you take this side plus 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6 is equal to 5p. P is equal to 6 divided by 5 because it is into. P is equal to 6 by 5. Go to the next one. 16 is equal to 4 plus take out the bracket. 3t plus 3 into 2. So you get 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 6. You get 16 is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 3t. See, 3t is positive, let it be here only. 3t is equal to 16. 10 you take that side, minus 10. 16 minus 10 is 6 is equal to 3t. So, t is equal to 6 divided by 3. So, t is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are. T2 is equal to t or t is equal to 2. The last two questions of that exercise, let me solve that. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. So 4 plus, take out the bracket, 5 into p minus 5 into 1 is equal to 34. So 4 plus 5p minus 5 is equal to 34. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So 5p minus 1 is equal to 34. 5p is equal to 34. Minus 1 take that side plus 1. So p is equal to 5p is equal to 34 plus 1 35. P is equal to 35 into, so here it is divided by p is equal to 5 ones are 5 sevens are 7. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4m minus 4 into 6. So 0 is equal to 16 plus 4m minus 4 6 are 24. So 0 is equal to 16 minus 24. What is 16 minus 24? Minus 8 plus 4m. So let 4m be here is equal to 0 minus 8 you take that side plus 8. So 8 is equal to 4m. M is equal to 8 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Therefore M is equal to 2. I hope you understood how to solve all these problems. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.